Over 11,000 cattle have been slaughtered here in Wales in the last calendar year. A truly shocking statistic. And behind those figures lie the anguish of farming families right across Wales who continue to deal with or the threat of bovine TB on a daily basis. Bovine TB continues to be a massive drain on the Welsh agricultural industry, and we can't continue slaughtering thousands of cattle every year whilst we do not address the issue with wildlife and their role that they play with bovine TB. There is clear evidence that links both wildlife and cattle to bovine TB. The emotional strain that this puts on people across Wales is just incredible. So we have to have rational decisions when it comes to making really big calls on how we're ever going to hit that 2041 eradication target. Going forward, we would like to see the next Welsh Government adopt a very targeted approach, whether it be with the right interventions, whether it be vaccination or culling, but in the right way and at the right time. And we must use disease knowledge at a local level on the ground to make decisions and tackle this disease wherever it exists. Whilst at the same time, on-farm biosecurity will play a vital role going forward to protect the 95% of herds in Wales that are actually clear of TB. In addition, the stringent cattle measures that are implemented on farm and also the testing regime will be incredibly important in controlling the eradication of bovine TB here in Wales. Ultimately, if we want the next generation to farm here in Wales without the noose of TB around their neck, we have to have some drastic changes. And we hope that the incoming Welsh Government will adopt a comprehensive TB eradication strategy that looks for the disease in all vectors.